There are two screws to hold the slide in the front of S7 SAG tubular key jaw. You can use 2.0mm wrench to loose the screws to adjust the height of the slide for different tubular keys. Move the slide down for SAG tubular keys while move the slide up for general tubular keys. This video shows how to cut the SAG tubular keys. Firstly, move the slide down and tighten the screws. Then install 1.0mm decoder and 5.0mm SAG cutter. Click Tubular, select SAG, Know Your Info to enter the operation page. Put the SAG tubular key to the S7 key jaw. Make sure the key is fixed well, otherwise it may not decode well. Note, the lip of the key should be fixed towards to the machine shown as the picture. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Decode to start decoding. After decoding, put a new key blank to the S7 key jaw. Make sure the key blank is fixed well, otherwise it may not cut well. Note, the lip of the key should be fixed towards to the machine shown as the picture. Make sure the key blank is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then select 5.0mm SAG cutter and click Cut to start cutting. Cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.